Hello guys, for today's video, sandwich, loaf bread with milk and eggs. So, let's eat guys, let's eat together with my Dora. And we have also rice and rice and eggs, fried eggs. Itlog nga eggs. Itlog nga eggs. Okay guys, with eggs and yan, sarap siya guys. Yung mga pagkain namin ngayon, mga healthy food. Yan. And ukbanin mo na yung kanon. Yan, and this one. Yan ang rice. You have long rice, o diba? O diba guys? Ang sarap-sarap. Ang sarap-sarap ng aming breakfast for today. So, with with tea and chereng, chai with pitik-pitik nga gatas. So, okay, good morning and happy Thursday everyone. Thank you sa mga solid supporters ko dyan. Nandyan kayo palagi. Sasabay tayo kumakain ng breakfast, okay? At ako po ay magbabay-bye na. Bye-bye. Kumakain na po ako. Bye. Ang aga-aga pa, napawisan na. Bye.